Hey, my name is Nkosenhle Shongwe and I'm from South Africa, Northern KwaZulu-Natal. I have registered from Science Buddies and I'm in grade 11. The title of my project is Engine Bay Fire Extinguisher. Fire explosions in cars have been observed in many regions. These explosions are caused by many factors like an overheat of an engine, gasoline leakage, short circuits, and accidents. The factors counted above have caused explosions that have resulted in many people being seriously injured and some have died. Car accidents and unpredicted incidents, however, are the main points that the project Engine Bay Fire Extinguisher will be focusing on. Many lives have been tragically affected by unpredicted fire explosions in cars, mainly caused by car accidents. The fire turns everything inside into ashes, making it hard for the inspectors to identify bodies and the cause of injuries or loss of lives. Another problem is that the external help is inefficient and ineffective in emergency situations like accidents. The flame takes a short time to form before it explodes. Hence, seeking for external help might result into delays that will lead to unfavorable situations where people end up being injured or dying. The solution or the engineering goal is to place the dry powder fire extinguisher inside the engine bay. This is going to allow the driver to be able to use the fire extinguisher in emergency situations. This is a suitable solution because it can be used anywhere, anytime by the driver without wasting time, because one pull of the extinguisher handle is all that it takes. It is going to prevent the damages that were caused by delays of external help. Now the driver can help himself. Engine bay fire extinguisher consists of several parts, each with its own function. Number one, we have the cover of the engine bay fire extinguisher handle. This is to prevent unauthorized users, especially kids, from pulling it unnecessarily. The mature driver or the owner of the car is going to know how to open it and how to use it. Rigid spouts. Number two, we have rigid spouts. There will be several spouts replacing the nozzle that is generally used. The spouts will be pointing into different directions, allowing the dry powder, which will be exerted, to spread over a large surface area inside the engine bay. Then number three, we have an engine bay fire extinguisher handle. The handle is connected to double iron tubes and it is going to help the driver to squeeze the lever, allowing the powder to be exerted. Then number four, we have the dry powder fire extinguisher. Liquid fire extinguisher might interfere with sensitive parts of the engine like wires and sensors. Hence, dry powder fire extinguisher is going to be efficient and effective. Then number five, we have the pivot point. This is a turning point of the system that will allow movement. Number six, we have a locking clip. It is going to lock the system until the force is applied by the driver to break it. It blocks the way between the iron that is responsible of pushing the lever and the upper lever. Then number seven, we have double irons. The first iron is going to be connected to the lower part of the lever, and the second iron is going to be responsible for pushing the upper lever. When the handle is pushed, the first iron is pulling the first iron is going to pull the lower lever, the lower part of the lever, and the second iron is going to push the upper part of the lever, hence squeezing the fire extinguisher, exerting the dry powder that is going to be responsible for quenching the fire. With that being said, I am looking forward for this project, Engine Bay Fire Extinguisher, to save people's lives. Thank you.